We made it. It rained all week and all these roads were super muddy. Ah, man, but it's too windy. I don't know, it's too windy. I like this campsite, but man, I don't know. Don't know about the wind. We're right on top of a hill and it just goes down and then up. And same thing back here. We're on top of the hill here, and then there's a big valley there. We're getting a lot of wind that way. Might need to move because it's gonna rock that camper back and forth all night, and that's what I really don't want. If it's gonna be windy like this all night, I don't even know if we can build a bonfire. This is camp. I had another spot picked out, went there, crazy windy. So we just came back down here. Still a little windy, but not as bad. Not as bad at all. You guys, let me know if you want me to make an in-depth video of this truck camper, and I'll make a separate video all about it. But for now, I'm gonna unpack real quick and go do some coyote hunting. I'm getting ready to go coyote hunting, and I just realized I forgot my sling home. Got a bunch of stuff to carry. I'm gonna film myself and hunt, and I'd like to throw this on my back. Let's see if we can throw it in here. No, kind of want to put my coyote call in here. One thing we can do is take a strap from my first light bag and put some zip ties. Let's see if that works. There you go. I mean, hey, it works. It ain't stupid if it works, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna try something that I never tried before. Coyote hunting. We're in Eastern Oregon. This is the spot I elk hunt and I deer hunt. And it's almost end of winter. And all these deer and elk are gonna start having their fawns. And I do wanna protect them. So let's see if we can shoot a few coyotes out of here. Like I said, I'm not an expert, so all I got is an AR, a coyote call, the Fox Pro, and let's give it a try. It's a little windy, but we're still gonna go try. So come along. Okay guys, I think I found the right spot for now. This is my setup right here. The wind is blowing this way. And I'm gonna go set this coyote call. Okay guys, I got the coyote call. About 60 yards that way. I'm gonna start calling, let's see what's up. Mute the caller and then wait another 4 or 5 minutes. If nothing else pops up, then we'll just move. And this wind sucks. And I know there's coyotes here because I see them every fall. The middle of the day, it's about 1 o'clock. Stand number 1 was a bust. Let's go to number 2. Stand number 2. I'm gonna walk that way. The wind is still blowing from south to north. Yep. Guys, stand number 2. I walked in here really nice and quiet. I parked my dirt bike about a mile that way. And my dirt bike is super quiet too. And I think I'm gonna start calling now. Gun is loaded. Safety's on. Is good. We can see all this open country. I don't know what else to do. We got this big sagebrush protecting us, giving us some shade. I was super quiet getting it. Let's try. I'm gonna start off with the volume low and work my way up. Some coyote locator. Man, I'm doing everything right. I don't know what's going on. I got good cover. The wind is blowing in my face. I can see big open country. Just no coyotes, absolutely no coyotes. I don't know. This is my third spot. I keep moving. And last night I saw a coyote just cross the road right where I parked. And I know they're here and I see them when I elk hunt. I see them here, but I don't know. We'll just keep moving, keep moving. Yeah, we gotta get one. No luck. Stand number 3. We stayed there longer than I wanted because I had a really good feeling about that spot, but I guess not. This country here is massive. So let's try a different spot. It's 3:56. We still have a few hours left. Stand number 4. I just called I see him, he's coming. He's coming. What an awesome day. But yeah, so 5 coyote stands, and about half hour before shooting light was over, I got one to respond. I was just shaking. I was like, yes, this is it, this is it, this is it. And I put my binos, if I had to guess, about 300 yards. And he was coming towards me. And in between me and him, there were a few hills. And I see him go over one hill, go back down, come up, go back down, and then he never came back up. The wind died down. My only guess is he smelled me. I don't know what happened after that. He was gone. And I stayed until dark pretty much. Never saw him after that. So that was strange. I really thought today was the day I was going to shoot a coyote, but hey, tomorrow's another day. I thought I picked some really nice coyote stands from all 5. I tried to pick, something really nice, open, tucked in between some sagebrush, and I always made sure the wind was blowing right in my face. So, but hey, you never know. I'm gonna wait for this fire to die down. I need the coals, and we're gonna make some steak. What do you guys think? Not bad, huh? I'm ready to dig in. Man, this looks so good. But first, let's give thanks to the Lord for today and this meal. I don't know what it is, but a steak grilled over a fire tastes so much better than propane. I'm gonna wait for this fire to die down and hit the hay. Back at it tomorrow morning. I'm chilling by the fire and you can hear the coyotes. Good morning, guys. Day number 2. Super cold this morning. It's like 28 degrees. It was like 23 last night. Super chilly. Everything is frosty. But there's absolutely no wind today. I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but we'll find out. And it's so quiet. I don't even want to start my bike. I think I'm going to rip a few coyote calls in this area first, and then just walk further and further till like late morning, and then I'll probably come back and get my bike and go a little further. But super cold, no wind, sunrise. Let's go. Stand number 1. I had to get rid of the beanie and the puffy jacket. I started walking, I started sweating. So I just shed a layer off. I don't want to sweat. And then get to the stand, and then you're gonna be cold. So this will be fine. Sounds like they might be coming from there. So I'm gonna switch. They're all over the place now. I hear them from over there. And I don't want to point that way because the sun is right in my eyes. Got my butt kicked this morning. Nothing. I mean, I think it was stand number 2 or 3. I did see a coyote exactly like yesterday. 300 yards away. And never saw him after that. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I'm on the distress, jackrabbit distress. I'm trying a bunch of different sounds. No wind today, so that's the only thing that's different from yesterday. Yesterday was crazy windy, today is calm. I think I'm gonna go eat some breakfast real quick, hop on the bike, and try a different spot. And when I say I see them like 300 yards away, I see them through my binos, and it's moving. It's not like I have them in my scope. And you know, why don't you take the shot at 300? Coyotes are pretty small, and a moving target at 300 yards. I don't know if I'm taking that shot. Man, you guys should have seen this. Called in double. 2 coyotes. But they never came in close again. Man, I'm in this big open field. I'm not on the ridge line, so I got cover. I called them in from somewhere in that area, and they just stayed on top of on the hill. They just stayed over there, and then they slowly climbed up halfway over there. They stopped there in between those bushes. I kept an eye on them, and then they just started going up and over. And my call is right there, and they just wouldn't come in. I don't know, man. I don't know. This sucks. So discouraging, man. From here to there, 700 yards. So I saw 4 coyotes in total. 1 yesterday, 1 this morning, and 2 right now. And I just can't get them to come in. Oh man, this is challenging. Alright, I lost count how many stands I did today. This one's not bad. All of these rocks right here protecting me. And I got this open country right here. I don't know if you can see that. Going this way. The battery's died to my collar. I still have battery on my remote. But last time I checked, the collar said 50%. It just died. I mean, it is cold, but and I have extra batteries back at the camper. It's pretty far to go there and come back. So, at least for this area, I think I'm done for tonight. It's already getting closer to about 4 o'clock. And I'm gonna go replace the batteries and then hunt the other side. this is my last stand for today. And it's the last day I can be out here. Sun is about to go down. Fresh batteries in the call. And let's go. I'm gonna call the coyote locator and see if I get a response first. Two days of coyote hunting and no coyote. I called in 2 doubles today, and again, same thing. I tried different calls. I tried coyote calls. I tried distress. I tried everything. They just weren't interested. I don't know. I'm not gonna settle. I'm gonna be back definitely and try to get a coyote. It's on my bucket list. And let me know down in the comments, what did I do wrong? Or if you guys have any suggestions, tips and tricks, what you guys do. A bunch of people that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So please subscribe if you like this kind of content. It helps the channel grow. I appreciate it. And give it a thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.